What's up, guys? It's November 2022, and I'm very excited and proudly announcing that I'm going to Sema Show this year in Las Vegas, and I'm going to be a little part of Real Deal Revolution founded by Teresa and Jesse Combs. Time to get on the bike. All right, I'm ready to hit the road. It's pretty cold, but that's fine. Thank you. No. Finally, another bike. It's so sad. I wish there are more motorcycles in this show. What I liked about Sema Show, it's huge. You have an opportunity to get information about the newest technologies and products in this industry, and most importantly, you actually feel the breath of future here. What I didn't like in this show, the feeling that the value of handmade things are fading. For example, car wrap. It takes off all the value of airbrush paint and pinstriping and everything, and transforms it into a cheap Christmas gift. No offense, that's just my opinion. I'm an artist.
What's up, sweetheart? How you doing? Hey, show him a picture of your bike.
Okay. Who is this man? Finally, Horny Mike.
Sorry, I had to show you up, and do such a bigger bike, but
Yeah, it's.
I can't have a girl
big.
walking around, with a badder bike than mine. That's gonna mess me up.
Is it better than yours?
Your bike's badass, but I mean,
Yeah, it is.
couldn't have it
badass.
showing me up. It hurt me emotionally.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Like
I
as a
didn't
man,
mean to hurt
it
you.
messed me up.
And actually, it's bigger than we see in the videos or photos. It's massive. Gosh. So tail lights actually. This is awesome. Look at this little hole. Hey Mike, I've heard about you so many times when I started with a motorcycle and I didn't know who you are.
Oh,
I was like, Horny, who?
Oh, and they were talking about they kept bringing up my bike.
Yeah,
You're like, I'm building a badass bike. I don't care about him. You don't want to see a photo shoot with both these badass bikes. No, I don't know. Mine might eat yours.
In real life, this is more massive than I would imagine.
But here's the thing, and I'll give it to you. Yours is more than rideable.
Oh yes, that's true. I'm into cross country.
Oh no. We're not doing no cross countries in this. This goes to the show, it goes back in the trailer, and then it goes to the next show.
Gotcha.
It's a trailer bitch.
Everybody knows your bike. All right.
Apparently I gotta
I'm
go.
not going to.
But listen, everybody knows my bike. Everybody's starting to know your bike just as
I
much.
know, this is crazy.
So, maybe we mix some stuff up. I'll show you some details as far as how some of this works.
Oh yeah, that's
It's
cool.
really
Wow.
Go ahead and give it a shot. And if it's not wet enough, we'll put more water on there. Like I was telling Abingdon earlier, it's better to hit it and like have to go back and hit it again than to go too hard and go all the way through when it's too wet.
Exhibitors with vehicles in your booth, do not start your vehicle until 4:30.
This is fun. Amazing show. So much stuff about movies and industry and college admission. It's absolutely recorded amazing. We're just super happy that it is going to pass. The reception we received is
In my garage, my hot one, I built a 66 F100, and that one, my husband's been driving, I built the painted body. This is the first time I've done the full painted body. I've done it before every couple of different times, but it's truck, so it's awesome.
all the trades, the leatherwork, the blacksmithing, making their own screws, making their own nuts and bolts, and building motorcycles, building cars, like all the upholstery, everything. And you have that here in one space.